They confirmed today, officials announced that inside the building, finally, they have found bacteria that cause the disease. They also said yet another person who worked there has come down with Legionnaires' disease. Eric Green has a report.
As administrators announced the 10th confirmed case of Legionnaires' disease this afternoon, they also said they've now isolated the strain which caused the death of a 37-year-old janitor.
We've also cultured the specific bacterium that was isolated from the lady who died from a sink inside the basement. So what we know is that the bacteria that cause disease is present in the building.
Earlier in the day, some 800 employees who have been displaced from their building got word on where they'll be working for the next few weeks. 110,000 square feet of office space have been leased in 3 buildings at the Watergate Towers in Emeryville.
We are going to get the work of the Social Security Administration done. We are going to get our building cleaned up.
This move will spread out Social Security operations. Besides the 800 workers going to the 3 Emeryville buildings, 400 others are working out of 2 buildings leased in Richmond.
We think at this time that we can handle between 80 and 85% of the normal workload of our program service center.
Hagel says some things won't be affected at all. He says Social Security recipients will continue to get their checks on time.
To expedite the move to Emeryville, department managers who have cleared health checks are now being allowed to enter the Richmond building to retrieve work materials, but they must wear respirators when they go in. As for how long the cleanup will last, 2 of the cleanup workers estimated probably a couple more months. In Richmond, Eric Green for the 10 o'clock news.